Hello and welcome. In my last videos, I've showed you a couple of gadgets which allow you to tie two lines together. And the gadgets that I've showed you were this Knot Assist 2.0, which is fully manual, and the other gadget, which is an electric knot tire, which allows you to do the same job as this one, pretty easy and fast. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you a third tool, which is called a Bobbin knotter, and it does the job pretty well also. As you can see, it is a bit smaller than the other two gadgets, so basically you will be able to put it in any tackle box of yours without any problems at all. What I would like to tell about this tool is that, as you can see, it has these rubber lips. I'll just call them rubber lips. And this top wheel, which allows you to tighten and loosen the bottom part. Well, without any further ado, let's just make a quick demonstration on how you can easily tie two lines together with this tool. I've actually used it a few times already, and I don't find it quite difficult to use. The first thing which you need to do, you need to put your braid into this hole here. And to lock the tag end of your braid within these rubber lips. The next step is to loosen this bottom part with the assistance of this wheel and just start wrapping your braid against this bottom part. Just make like 5 or 6 wraps, and I think that it's gonna be enough. The next step is to wrap your braid around your leader line about 15 or 20 times. As I don't have much space on the table over here, I might be struggling a little bit to do that. But if you do have a lot of space, it is much easier to do. So you take your leader line into one hand and you take the tool into another. Just hold two lines with your fingers, leave a little bit of the line end over here. I'm talking about the braid. Make sure that you haven't locked this bottom part, because when you're going to be wrapping the tool around a leader line, this line should come off from the tool over here and onto your leader line. Okay, so let's basically do it. If you see that your braid doesn't come off, just loosen this wheel a little bit, and well, you'll probably notice what I mean as soon as I'm gonna be wrapping the line around it. So let's basically do it. Okay, so I've done it to one side, and now we need to do the same to the opposite side. Okay, so I've done it. Now what you can do, and remember I've told you that I didn't have much space over here, so now just remove your braid from the tool and lock the knot. I'll just lock the knot using 2 half-inch knots. And well, the only thing which is left now is just to finish off the knot. So a couple of half-inches over the 2 lines. So it's the first one. And the second one. I've actually prepared these sticks for myself because the last time that I was trying to make the knot tight with the 2 lines, I nearly cut my hands. So yeah, now as you can see, we've got our leader, we've got our tag end of our braid and the tag end of our leader. So just to finish it off, I'll make 3 more knots, 3 more half-inches against the 2 lines. It's pretty hard to do when you do it on camera and you need to talk than when you are practicing. Okay, so I've done it over the 2 lines now, and as you can see, it looks just perfect. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut the tag end of a leader line, but not until the end. I'm just gonna leave a little bit of this line, and in the end you'll definitely understand why I'm doing so. So I've done 5 half-inches against the 2 lines, and now I'm gonna do the same against my main braid line. So it's well, I've done 3, and I'm gonna lock it with a uni knot. Two, 3. Okay. I'm gonna cut the tag end of a braid. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna burn the tag end of a leader. Just when doing so, don't burn your braid. One more time, I'm just gonna make the knot tight. And here we go. As you can see, a perfect FG knot. If you've liked the video, don't forget to put a thumbs up. And if you would like to support the channel, as it is brand new, you can always subscribe, but it is your choice. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.